If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for the notifications. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Nishtha Agarwal. Well, in this video, I will tell you guys about how you can do makeup for your interview. So this will be for cabin crew. Here we go for that. I have already cleansed my face and applied a toner as well. Now I can use a vitamin C serum. So I have this one and this is from Garnier. You can use it before going for your makeup, but as of now I am feeling good, so I'll not apply it. I'll use a moisturizer. This is Cetaphil moisturizer and I use it on daily basis before my makeup. So just take it in a quantity as per the requirement of your skin and then apply it on your face, and do not forget your neck. Just give 5 minutes for this moisturizer to settle in your skin. Now I feel pretty good and I am good to go. Now I'll apply this primer. This is makeup primer from Lakme, and this primer is really good and it makes my skin feel so light and so perfect to go ahead for the makeup. You can also get it, and I have mentioned all the details and all the products in the description box. So I am done with the primer. Now for dark spots, I'll use this concealer. This is Color Bars Stick Concealer, and I've never used a concealer before. This is for the very first time, and I just bought this concealer for my mother as I had to go for a wedding. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how to apply it. You can use this concealer to hide your dark spots, and this works really well. Blend it nicely. So now I'm using this Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse Foundation, and I'm using this foundation since 2018, and yes, I do remember when I appeared for that Indigo airline interview, then also I used this foundation, and trust me, this foundation is really nice. It settles down in your skin pretty well and it's waterproof as well. So even if in sunny days, even if you are out, then also you feel pretty comfortable. And do not forget to apply the products you are applying on your face, on your neck as well, because the shades will get different otherwise. So I'm done with it, and now I'll do my eye makeup. So first of all, I'm gonna apply this Lakme Rose Powder on my eyes, and trust me, this is again a very good powder. And yeah, so I have not applied concealer on my eyes, but yes, foundation I had applied. Now I'm applying this powder, and then I'll be applying a blush or an eyeshadow. So yes, I am using this Maybelline's palette. This is blush palette, and yes, I broke it. So I'm using this pink shade on my eyes first, followed by a darker shade, then this. So mostly if you are getting ready for a wedding or for a party, then probably you'd be doing your eye makeup first, followed by your face makeup, that is your foundation and base. But in here, as the blush is very light, and even if it will fall on your cheeks, then also it will be superbly fine. So yes, I am done with it, and I am blending the blush again. And yes, it is very hot, and I record my videos without a fan and AC. So yeah, next step is applying an eyeliner. So I use this Lotus Herbals eyeliner. As the stick of this eyeliner is very hard, it really supports me to apply a good eyeliner. Now, yeah, I'm not that pretty good with it, so I go ahead and apply the liner and then come back. I am back with the applied eyeliner and I've applied it thick. If you want to apply it thin, you can, of course. Oh my god, I forgot to apply a lip balm. So I'm using this Fab India's lip butter, which I got a week back, and trust me, it's working really good. And in summers, we all know lips get dry at times. So yeah, before applying lipstick, okay mom. So yeah, let's just apply the lip butter and then probably we can apply other products. I'm done. Now I'm using this kajal pencil. This is Lakme's kajal pencil. Okay, I forgot to show you guys, so I'm gonna show you now. Yeah, so just in the inner lines and like that. Done. Now I'll apply this mascara, which again I do not use mascaras, but to show you guys I'm just gonna apply it. I don't know why, I do not just like mascara. I do not feel comfortable, so I do not apply it. But you can, you look pretty when you apply a mascara. Right. Just a little bit on your lower eyelids as well. That's it, and I am done. Now I'll just set it up. I'll just see if something has smudged. This is how it takes me 4 to 5 hours to create a single video because everyone keeps interrupting me. So yes, I'm done with it, and probably I have already applied the powder that I had shown you before. Now I'm applying this highlighter, and before this I've applied the blush as well. In the palette you can see I had 2 shades. One was pink and another one was peaches shade, so I've mixed them up. And now I'm gonna apply this lipstick. This is Color Bars Tutti Frutti shade, and I love this shade. Whenever I go out in a party or anywhere important, I just apply this shade. And I applied this shade again for that Indigo airline interview as well, and this is Perfect Pink. Applying a lipstick can be a difficult task at times, so to clean it up you can even use a Q-tip or you can say an earbud to settle it down, and similarly you can even use an earbud to shapen up your eyeliner. Okay, I'm never done with this lipstick, I just love it. So yes, I'm done finally, and now I'm gonna use this spray, Color Bars spray, for setting my makeup up. You can also use it, I've just got it. Even if you do not have it, you do not have to buy it. It's just optional, not compulsion. Yeah, so just let it settle in, and yes, here I am ready. You cannot have your nails painted green or blue, but they must be according to your lip shade. And your makeup is done and you're ready for the interview. One more thing, that you cannot have hair color done like me, like red or green or blue, but they must be natural only. And if you have length like me, then you have to make a bun, and if you have short hair, then you can straighten them up and just be professional, and you are good to go. So yes, this was all about how you can do makeup for your interview. And further, if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you like watching my videos, and do not forget to share this video if you feel like this video can help anybody else in your group or your family members. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Cheers to life.